Hey everybody, Tyler here. Welcome back to my channel. We are in beautiful Palos Verdes, California, celebrating my mom's birthday. We're at the Terranea Resort and it is amazing. Check it out. Nestled on 102 private acres of California's secluded Palos Verdes Peninsula, Terranea Resort offers scenic views of the Pacific Ocean and Catalina Island. The resort is a short drive from the sprawling metropolis of Los Angeles, but feels like it's worlds away. Terranea offers a variety of lodging options including guest rooms, suites, bungalows, casitas, and villas. If you're traveling with a larger group of friends or family, I highly recommend the casita option. Our casita had 3 separate rooms that accommodated us perfectly. When you're staying more than a few days, having a kitchen and even laundry are a nice addition. When it comes to activities, you'll definitely want to spend some time at the pools. It's usually much cooler in Palos Verdes, but fortunately the pools are heated. Terranea has 4 pools. The resort pool is 5,000 square feet and has a 140-foot water slide. Here you'll also find plenty of games to keep the kids busy. If you want to get away from the kids, head over to the adults-only Cielo Point pool and take in the views of the Pacific Ocean. Nice. If you're looking to stay fit while on vacation, head over to the spa. Here they have a nice gym and daily classes that are included with your stay. I tried a cycling class as well as a yoga class. Both were great. If you fancy a round of golf, check out the resort's 9-hole par 3 course. The course is small but beautifully maintained and makes for a fun activity. If you want to play tennis or pickleball, you can do that too at the nearby Peninsula Racket Club. Perhaps our favorite activity during our stay was making use of the beautiful walking trails around the resort. Even if you're not staying at the resort, I highly recommend checking out the Terranea Discovery Trail, a 2.2-mile out and back hike that goes along the ocean cliffs down to the beach. It's mostly dirt with some pavement and is stroller friendly except for some stairs towards the end. Last but not least, let's talk about the food. Terranea has 7 on-site restaurants. We ate at Nelson's for lunch, where we shared some mussels as an appetizer, and I had a delicious ahi tuna sandwich. The food, service, and oceanside patio were great. We also tried the Catalina Kitchen for dinner. We enjoyed their soups and appetizers. I ordered the sea bass and I tried a bit of mom's filet. Everything was delicious.
That looks perfect.
Maybe my lettuce is from Mountain Garden.
Happy birthday.
Well, there you have it. We enjoyed our stay at the Terranea Resort. Mom says it was her best birthday yet. Hopefully we will be back soon.